Well, taking a live look outside, a beautiful day, Miller Outdoor Theater. Well, you know, of course, summertime is almost here, technically, and that means tank top, shorts, bathing suits, what else, you know? If you're looking to tone up some trouble spots, the latest technology promises to help in just 6 weeks.
Just in time, right? So here to explain how UltraShape works, we have the president of Clearstone Laser Hair Removal and Medical Spa, Robert Logue. Also joining him are aesthetic laser professionals, Ariana Carrasco and Sarika Walters.
Hey.
Hello to you all.
Hey guys,
Welcome to the show.
Thanks so much for being here.
It's a pleasure.
We're glad that you're here. You guys are known for laser hair removal primarily, right? People have a great experience coming to do that. But today, we're going to see this UltraShape technology.
Yeah, that's correct. We started back in 2009. Laser hair removal was our first and primary passion. We did a lot of great research, really selected the best technology, coupling that with fantastic and affordable pricing and fantastic expertise. And we've been doing that ever since. And then, of course, our guests come in and they start, hey, what about body contouring and microneedling treatments and IPL facials for my sun damage? So we've slowly but surely led our way into this direction for body contouring. We've been looking at the technology now for years, and we decided upon UltraShape by Sundaram Candela. Fantastic modality of treatment, very safe, very effective.
And we have Sarika here on the table.
Yes.
And primarily, this is an area that we would want to target for fat loss, which normally, as a woman, we're going to say, okay, that's the tummy and maybe the flanks. Is that the ideal area for this type of procedure?
It is. We see fantastic results for those two particular areas. Anywhere that we can isolate the fat, the inch that you could pinch, the adipose tissue, if we can isolate that and apply a correct application with our transducer, we can get great results.
And we're seeing an animation right now, sort of how it works, but obviously Ariana and Sarika are going to show us in person the way it works. We always love live demos here at Houston Life, so thanks for bringing in all the equipment.
Absolutely.
So Ariana, if you want to just get started and maybe walk us through.
So we see these little bullet, like the bullseyes or the target areas. Right. Is that where you're pulsing and using the ultrasound?
No. So actually, what I've done first is I've actually taped her. The reason why I've taped her is because we want to gather up the fat as much as we can.
Oh.
The sensors is just for the machine to actually read where we want to, target that area.
Okay, and so you are going to use a conducting gel,
yes,
right?
Absolutely.
And this again is an ultrasound machine, so it's the pulses, right?
That's correct. It's clear ultrasound gel, and we're going to use a transducer that's going to put pulses of ultrasound into the targeted fat. We like ultrasound a lot because it's very safe. It's the one thing that women will do when they're pregnant, of course. We have a 0 complication rate with this at our facility, which is wonderful, and the results are really quite measurable.
And okay, so when you say measurable results, like how long would it take for Sarika to see a change here?
Absolutely. Within 2 weeks. So we recommend a regimen of 3 treatments, with each treatment spaced out 2 weeks apart. So a total of 3 treatments over 6 weeks. And we expect to see about a dress size or 2, although client results, of course, vary. We've seen individuals lose up to 8 inches after 10 weeks. Fantastic results.
Wow, look at that.
I know. Here's our before and afters that we've been scrolling through here, and the results really are dramatic. Now that we've got the gel on, is this actually going to work right now as you're moving that device back and forth?
Yes. So what we'll do is we'll target the area, and then we'll zap. Once we zap, that's what's sending the waves down to the fat.
So it's like you're zapping and holding right now.
That's right. What's so unique with the UltraShape machine, unlike other body contouring modalities, is that it's very symmetrical. So we isolate the area exactly that we want to treat. We draw out on our touchscreen computer system. It defines that area and lays out a dot pattern that we're going to follow precisely. So every area will get treated very thoroughly and comprehensively. And that way we get a very nice symmetrical result. There won't be any unwanted fat pads or hardening fat or missed areas. So it's really, really nice to achieve a smooth aesthetic appearance.
And I'm just going to bounce over here to talk to Sarika. If you can tell me about what this feels like and the process.
It feels great. It's completely painless. It feels maybe just a little bit warm and like a slight vibration, but no more than a cell phone.
Okay. And you've gone through the treatment before, correct?
Yeah, this is going to be technically the 3rd round.
Okay.
I think I've done.
That's awesome. And you've seen some great results so far, right?
Yeah, much definitely, like flatter contour. I'm getting married next month, so I'm trying to make sure that this looks perfect in my dress.
Oh, Awesome.
And
That's
who,
great.
who really is an ideal candidate for this type of procedure? Because it, like from the before and after photos, you had sort of a range.
Sure. The most ideal candidate is somebody with a BMI of less than 35. And
Okay.
when an individual comes into our facility, we offer a complimentary consultation. And of course, it's not a treatment for everyone. We really want to make sure we set proper expectations and that the individual will receive great results, see great value from us.
What would
We
you
need to stand behind that for them.
And what would you say makes Clearstone Med Spa different from the others? Is it that clientele, one-on-one?
Oh, absolutely. If you look at our reviews on Google and Yelp and what have you, you'll find that we're a very informative medical spa. So we're not there to try to sell anybody something that they don't need or don't necessarily want. We're there just to simply educate. So we offer the best technology for the 5-6 things that we really focus in on. We have a fantastically and high-trained staff. And of course, we're very selective about our technology. And with that taken together, we offer great value to folks. And that's what we concentrate on, day in and day out.
And Robert, of course, you brought a special offer for Houston Life viewers.
yes.
So Clearstone Med Spa, excuse me, the special offer is that you can get 3 UltraShape treatments for $16.95. So if you're out there, you want to learn more, there is the web address on your screen, clearstonespa.com, or you can call 832-460-4200. This is really interesting to watch.
Yes,
I'm glad you
definitely.
guys
Show and
enjoyed it.
tell at the mall.
I know.
Thank you, and congrats on your wedding, Sarika.
Yes, Sarika.
I mentioned too, we're going to post Sarika's before and after pictures on our Instagram account later today.
Oh, that's
So
cool.
you can see that we treat our own team at the office. It's a fantastic experience. So you'll
That's
be able to see a little bit
awesome.
more about Sarika's journey
All
later
right.
this afternoon.
We look forward to that. Thanks so much for coming in.
That's good. Thanks,
And
guys.
speaking of